have reached the Sandusky County Sheriff's Office. If this is not an emergency, please press 1 now if you're listed divisions within the Sheriff's Office. Otherwise, stay on the line and your call will be answered by a dispatcher.
Please hold while your call is being transferred.
Sandusky County Sheriff's Office.
Yes, hi. I need to speak with the deputy about filing a criminal report.
Okay, what kind of report?
A report of fraudulent documents being submitted by the district attorney.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Brian, B-R-Y-A-N, Koth, K-O-T-H.
Okay, what's your address, Brian?
My address is 3173 Beechwood Drive, Monroe, Michigan.
Okay, and your phone number, Brian?
Area code 248-328-5236.
And for the report, your date of birth?
Yes, sir. 12/22/1975.
Okay. All right, are you in town or are you at home there in Monroe?
I'm at home here in Monroe.
Okay. All right, give me just a little bit here. I'll have a deputy give you a call, okay, Brian?
All right. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Have a good night.
No problem.
How can I help you?
Yes, sir. I'm calling to report some fraud that had been submitted as official record in the Clerk of Court's office in Sandusky County
Okay.
by Chief Counsel Tom Sternwall, I'm assuming, or whoever is in charge of that operation. I'm going over some documents in a criminal case that was dismissed about 6 months ago, and about 20 minutes ago I discovered some of the fraud in the paperwork. So because it's a criminal act that took place within Sandusky County, I'm obligated to call the Sandusky County Sheriff Department and file a report against this.
Okay.
There's an affidavit that's filed with case number 14 CR 763.
Okay. Who's the case against?
The case is State versus me, Brian Thomas Koth.
Okay.
Now, within the course of discovery, the state was obligated to hand over documents that they intended to use at trial. The discovery that they handed over, it's time-stamped September 18th at 1:08 p.m. by Tracy Overmeyer.
9/18/14.
I'm sorry, sir?
9/18 of 2014.
Yes, sir. On September 18th
Yep.
of 2014 at 1:08 p.m., this document was filed.
Okay.
Okay? It's going to be page 4. It's going to be a United States Postal Service certified mail receipt. Okay, are you ready for the series of numbers?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. 7011 0110 0001 3998 1073. That is the tracking number and the official receipt that is handwritten by somebody in the district attorney's office, Tom Sternwall or any of his understudies. $6.49. Send to Koth, Monroe County, S.O. I'm assuming that S.O. stands for Sheriff's Office.
Yep.
Okay, so we flip over to page 5, where the Monroe County Sheriff can confirm receiving this document mailed on September 9th, 2014. The article number does not match.
Okay.
The article number that shows the signature card is, are you ready? 7011 0110 0001 3998 1080. You can track that. It is registered with the United States Post Office. That is an official document. The document on page 4 does not exist and is a fraudulent document and is trying to attach itself as proof of service being rendered to me. That is fraud.
What the bottom line is you're saying you weren't served this thing.
I was absolutely served. The case was dismissed. What I'm trying to say is that the district attorney's office knowingly, fraudulently filed false information with the clerk of courts in Sandusky County in the state of Ohio. The case has been disposed of, sir. It's been dismissed. It's done. The state dropped the charges at all and everything. Oops, they screwed up. Okay, so that part's done and over with. Now we're following up with rebuttal. Does that make sense to you? While I'm filing a complaint and I'm pointing out fraud that was done by the district attorney. That's the purpose of this criminal complaint right now, today.
I'll file a report saying that.
Okay, this involves with the fraud that I have been discussing with numerous agencies since the beginning of this year in January 7th of 2015.
Basically, my report's going to say that in case number 14 CR 763, State of Ohio versus the Bryan Code, you're saying that there is false documents generated, correct?
Yes, deliberately submitted. They are signed and stamped by the clerk of courts. It's not a mistake.
That's what my report will say.
What's that?
That's what my report will say.
That's exactly what I'm telling you. I don't consider it to be a mistake because of the manner it was filed.
That's going to have to be something that will have to be worked out. I mean, I'm just saying, all my report can say is that you think that there's been some false hits.
Well, I'm asking you to look at that document. I'm asking you to launch an investigation. Go pull that file.
What? Have to be done with the
Who's going to be the investigator on the fraud charges? Because that's what I'm making accusations of.
The Attorney General's office will have to do that.
Okay, so you're gonna forward this report to the Attorney General's office then.
Once you contact them and they contact me, I will forward my report to them. Right.
Okay.
And they'll send in, if they deem necessary, they will send an investigator down to investigate your accusations against the Sandusky County prosecutor.
Okay. All right.
Or slash clerk of courts, whatever.
Yes. Well, it's whoever filed this particular document. You wrote it down, so it will be on file. Correct?
Yep.
That's the important part here. If you want to act on the investigation side of it, that's fine. Tell me. If you don't, tell me who I need to speak with to get enforcement on the investigation.
As far as investigating the prosecuting attorney, that would have to be done through the State Attorney General's office.
Okay. All right. I'm going to start to work on that. In the meantime, I'm issuing an order just as a standard, we the people that sits outside everything and keeps an eye on everything. I would advise that somebody in the Sandusky County Sheriff's Department takes over the district attorney's office until somebody knows what they're doing is in there, because there's a lot of misjustice taking place, sir.
Well, I'm not.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you need to do it.
That's sort of out of the scope of our duty.
I'm asking that you go research the full duty of a sheriff, and that's not to let the Constitution ever be destroyed. And when you're being told that there is fraud within your very own government office and that the government office has been hijacked, you have a duty to act, sir. You have a duty to protect us.
I'll fill out a report for you, and if you have any other questions, give the sheriff a call, okay?
No, sir, I've got no more questions. Thank you.
Thanks, Brian.
Have a good night. Bye. Here it is. This is the fraud I'm discussing. You see the timestamp. You see the date. State of Ohio. Mileage. Document. Page 1. Oh, look. You're telling me that's a typo error, July 25th, 2014, Monroe County Sheriff. Oh, but wait, they were sure to get court date hearing October 6th, right? Okay, so tell me, how do they have a grand jury hearing? How do they have all this drafted up before even a grand jury hearing? Because look, there's the case number that got assigned. So in the discovery, notice, civil division. Oh, this important typo error. Instructions. Oh, look, time stamped again, September 5th. But wait a minute, July 25th. Wait a minute, what's going on with all these dates here? Why is there date conflicts? September 10th, September 5th. Uh-oh, who wrote that? Here's the thing you need to pay attention to. Look at those numbers. Yeah, look at that handwriting. Oh, hey, wait a minute, what are you trying to prove here? Oh, did somebody have to send some legal mail? What's this? What are these numbers right here? Uh-huh, yeah. Well, wait a minute, hold on. You mean to tell me that these numbers don't match? You mean to tell me we got some fraud going on? Looky there. Wow. Well, we'll just throw in anything, whatever makes sense for his discovery. Okay, let's just keep looking and see what's going on. Let's see what they had to send to me. Oh, look. Oh, yeah. Look. See, they wanted to make sure they could send a criminal case or request for a summons. Oh, look. When did this happen? September 8th. Oh, look. The bill of indictment found sworn testimony before the grand jury when? Tuesday, September 2nd. Okay. Tom Sternwall. So tell me, Tom, what's going on here? Huh? What's going on with the July 25th date? Why are you trying to backlog things here, Tom? Why are you sending a blank official use receipt? What is this? It's fraud. You filed a fraudulent document under oath. Dude, that's treason, bro.